So in this video, we're going to go over how to manually draw in a job. You may use this if you get on smaller projects where maybe AutoCAD or PDF drawings aren't available for whatever reason, or if you just want to quickly sketch something in and go and lay it out, this video is for you. So first things first, we're going to open up our project. So I'll click into this one I made. So now we're going to click into job one. And then you can see we have a blank slate. There's nothing on here yet. So we're going to go into applications and then create. And then we want to enter a plan and then create plan. And then from here, we can set our origin point. So you're always going to press 0, 0, 0. Then it creates an origin point number 1. So you can open up this toolbox icon up here and you can actually custom name your points if you'd like to. You can designate them as a layout point or control point. So control is going to be what you use to set up your total station. If you do want to make it a control point, just keep in mind you do have to turn draw lines off in order to switch it to control. And we'll leave draw lines on. And then we're going to go down here to start drawing. We're going to tap our distance box. So let's say we want to go up 10 feet. So I can just put in 10. I don't have to put in a foot mark or anything like that if I don't have any inches. So I'm going to press OK. And you see that this is drawing a line up now. So then I can angle this line however I want to. So like by pressing these plus and minus buttons right here. If I do have a custom angle, I could put that in here. So like let's say I needed to go 55 degrees from that point. So that would put that angle in there. But I'm going to change this back to 45s. So I'm going to draw this line up now by pressing this blue button. And once it turns black, that means the point and the line were actually drawn in. And now you're drawing off that next point. So I could actually tap this point again and draw this way if I wanted to. Whatever point you tap is going to be the point that you're actually drawing off of. So let's say I want to go right now. Let's do 23 feet, and then let's do 2 inches. So 2 and then inch mark. And if you need to do fractions, let's say it's 2.5 inches, I would do 1/2. It's important to note that you do have to do the /. If you do the /, it will not input it correctly. So I'm going to press OK. Tap the blue arrow again, and then you're just going around and you're drawing your entire job in. So I'm just going to do a simple box for this demo. 23 feet. Press the blue arrow. And then this is really important that this pops up at the end of you drawing your job. Basically what this is saying is, hey, you're drawing to an existing point. Do you want to add another point on top of that location, or do you want to close it out? So we just want to close it out. If you don't get that pop-up, there's a good chance that something isn't lining up in the way you drew, so you should probably go back and look at things. So let's say I realize I made a mistake and I need to edit something that I drew in. I can actually open up this toolbox, tap Edit Existing Plan, and then I can tap a line. So let's say this line actually needed to be 20 feet. Type 20 in, press OK. You can see right now I'd have to kind of go around and manually adjust everything, but if I want to move everything that's following this point to be in line with the change I'm making, I can actually turn Move Next Points on, and you can see that self-adjusts everything. So if I press the blue arrow, now I have 2 20-foot lines both on the top and bottom without actually going back and editing both of those.